Okay, guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about elements, compounds, and mixture, just as a review before we get into looking at reading chemical formula and how they work. So, to review, an element is a substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances. Like these little cubes here, they can't be separated. They are their own unique thing. And in this case, we're going to have the white ones represent oxygen, okay? And I have some red ones. And the red ones are going to represent hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen by themselves, when you have one atom of each, are not, you can't separate them. You can't break the oxygen down into something smaller. You can't break the hydrogen down into something smaller. Now, a compound is a substance formed when two or more elements are chemically joined. And it doesn't matter if those elements are the exact same thing. And they can be really big chains too. But for example, this represents O2, which is the oxygen gas that we breathe, but it is a compound. This represents H2. It's also a compound. This is OH, okay? It's also a compound. And notice that they can be, separated, okay? I can break them apart. It takes a little bit of effort, but I can break those apart. That would be a chemical reaction to break them apart and do something different. Now, a mixture is two or more substances that are mixed together, not chemically joined. So when you look at this whole workspace here, and I've got these oxygens and I've got these hydrogens, I could very easily just say, okay, I need to get rid of all just the regular oxygen, and I can separate them. I can sort them into different piles. Here's the hydrogens, here's these little weird ones, okay? So element, substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances. That would be these and these. Compounds are made of two or more elements that can be broken apart with chemical reactions. And a mixture is when you have a bunch of different things together that you can sort out. You can make sure you can pull these things away, okay? In our next video, we're going to look at compounds and looking at chemical formulas and reactions and seeing how all of this comes together.